Passive income is the best type of income, right? Well, today we're going to take a look at my 5 favorite passive income plays. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel. I just want to say thank you very much. We got over 200 subscribers yesterday. I guess everybody likes elephant money as much as I do because it did very well. Today we're going to get into the top 5 passive income plays, in my opinion. Number 5 is Furio. Furio has been super steady. If we take a look at the chart, it's been going up, and they had the LMS to keep the price steady, and I don't think they've even used it yet because the price has just been going up. So I take profits once a week, so I'm compounding 6 days a week, and I'm claiming once a week. So I'm staying at the 1.75 reward rate. If we look at the rates, as long as you you can claim up to 4 times a month or every 28 days to stay at the 1.75%. So that's my goal, is I'm just trying to claim just 4 times every 28 days. And the 1 time a week I claim it, I'm just going straight to the elephant token anyway, so it's going to a good cause. I do have a full video showing how to get into Furio. I'll put that in the link in the description of this video. Number 4 is yield nodes. I've not done a video on yield nodes on this channel. I am invested in it. I do think it's a really good project. The way it works is you send them Bitcoin, or you can even pay with a credit card. What they do is they invest the money into masternoding or to proof of stake staking, and then the revenue generated, they give you a portion of it. I deposit Bitcoin when I deposit. You can, like it shows, you could use Bankwire, MasterCard, Visa to sign up, and you do have to KYC. They do ask you for some information, and you have to set up an account. The only negative I see about it is that they hold your funds for 6 months, so you'll be 6 months without them. But during that 6 months, you can compound your interest, which is really good, because this is what the chart's been looking like. They've been around between 1 and 2% weekly. So if it was 1% weekly, it would be at least 4% a month. But they've been well over 4% per month. For instance, July was 9.2%. And then if we go to August, I think August was 6.1%. It is a very good project, in my opinion. The team is fully doxed, and they have done AMAs and video interviews in the past. If you want me to do a video on it, if 2 people comment that they wanted me to do a yield nodes video, I will do one. Number 3 is MDB. MDB has multiple ways to earn passive income. You can stake the MDB token, and you can earn 21.94%, which is variable, but that's what it's paying now. You can farm with MDB BNB pair and earn 211%. You can buy one of the NFTs, and you can get passive income that way. And they also have a new token coming out that's going to earn passive income as well. Take a quick look at MDB's chart. It's been going up since the end of August. It's been a really steady flow. They're burning tokens. Now they're burning them every day up until the launch of the new project Infinity. Just a solid overall project. I have multiple videos that I've made showing how to buy it, stake it, farm it. I'll leave those in the description. But just a solid project, solid community, solid devs, all solid all around. Number 2 is Horde. Horde has been super steady. If we take a look at the chart, it's just steady across the board. It's between $98 and $101, $102, somewhere in that range at all times, because they use the liquidity management service. Basically, you buy 10 Horde tokens, around $100 a piece, so it's $1,000. You buy a plot, you put your 10 tokens to buy the plot. You get paid 0.1 Horde tokens per day for 300 days. So you basically put $1,000 in, you get $3,000 back in a matter of 300 days. So it's like basically automatic. So Horde has been super steady, like I said, and it's my number 2 project. My number 1 passive income play is Dex Finance. With the introduction of Dex Vaults, the auto compound strategies are just amazing. You can get 140.31% APY, 0.24% daily, basically on a stablecoin pair. You can get even higher APYs, but the assets are a little riskier. There's 383% APY with the Dex Share BNB, Dex Share, 33%, and 34% in stablecoin. You go to the aggressive strategy, it's 10% stablecoin, 20% Dex Share BNB, and then 70% Dex Share. So the more risk level you want to go, the higher the APYs are, but then the higher volatility on the assets. So I'm pretty much in everything. Everything's in my conservative right now, because it just auto compounds, which is awesome. It says every 4 hours, unless when somebody initiates the contract, it automatically auto compounds for you. One other awesome thing with the auto compounders is you're sharing the gas fees with other users, so they're very, very minimal. So Dex Finance is definitely my number 1 right now, especially with the auto compounders that they just came out with. Those are my top 5. Put yours in the comments and let me take a look at those, and maybe there's something I can add to in the future. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.